Hello friends, most welcome to my YouTube channel Maths by Samit Deshmukh. Today we are starting question number 7 from Miscellaneous Exercise 3. So observe the given example. In this case, one triangle ABC is given to us and we have to show that value of a minus b whole bracket square cos square c by 2 plus a plus b whole bracket square sine square c by 2 is equal to what? C square. So let us try to solve this example. So in this case we are considering left hand side and simplifying it, we are trying to show that its value is equal to what? Right hand side. So here we have written the left hand side, so which is equal to, now I am finding expansion of this bracket by using identity. A minus b whole bracket square can be written as what? A square plus b square minus 2ab. Keep this term cos square c by 2 as it is, plus now here also we are finding expansion of this bracket. So what is the expansion of a plus b whole bracket square? A square plus b square plus 2ab into sine square c by 2. Now if you will observe both the terms very carefully, here also term of a square plus b square is there and here also term of a square plus b square is there. If I am taking a square plus b square common from these two terms, so here multiple of a square plus b square is what? Cos square c by 2. So here we will get cos square c by 2 and here multiple of a square plus b square is what? Sine square c by 2. Sine square c by 2. Just we have collected the terms of what? A square plus b square. Now we are collecting the terms of what? 2ab. So this is first term of 2ab and this is second term of 2ab. I am taking minus 2ab common from these two terms. If I am taking minus 2ab common from first term, so here its coefficient, or we can say that multiple, it's cos square c by 2. And if we are taking 2ab minus 2ab, if we are taking minus common, so positive term will become what? Negative, and here its multiple is what? Sine square c by 2. So we have collected the terms of a square plus b square and then we have taken minus 2ab common from both the terms. So which is equal to, keep this a square plus b square as it is. Now according to identity, value of cos square theta plus sine square theta will be equals to 1 because this term is in the form of identity, that is cos square c by 2 plus sine square c by 2 is equal to 1. Keep this second term as it is, minus 2ab as it is, and according to half angle formula, cos square c by 2 minus sine square c by 2 is the value of what? Cos c according to half angle formula. So which is equal to, now a square plus b square into 1 will be equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab cos c, keep it as it is. If you will observe, a square plus b square minus 2ab cos c is the value of what? C square according to cosine rule. So that's why here I am giving the reason cosine rule. And this is nothing but the result which we have to prove here. So considering left hand side, we have shown that its value is equal to right hand side, means will be equals to what? C square. Now see the example number 8. In this example, it is given to us that cos A is equal to sin B minus cos C. Using this condition, we have to show that triangle is what? Right angle triangle. To show that triangle is right angle triangle, we have to show that one of the angle is equals to what? 90 degree. So we have considered the given expression. Let us simplify this expression to show that triangle is what? Right angle triangle, means to show that one angle is 90 degree. So cos A, keep it as it is. This minus cos C on this side will become plus cos C using transformation. On this side remaining term will be sin B. Now if you observe the term on this left hand side, it is in the form of factorization formula, that cos C plus cos D. So we are applying the factorization formula. According to factorization formula, its value is equal to cos A plus C upon 2, A plus C upon 2 into cos A minus C upon 2. Just simply we have applied factorization formula on the right hand side, sin B, keep it as it is. So therefore 2, keep it as it is. Again cos also as it is. We know that a plus c by 2 can be written as pi by 2 minus b by 2. Since here give the reason, since a plus b plus c is equal to 180, because ABC are nothing but what? Angles of a triangle, and since they are the angles of a triangle, the sum is equal to 180 degree means what? Pi. From this we are trying to find out value of a plus c upon 2. So a plus c will be equals to a plus c plus b on this side will become minus b, means pi minus b, and if I am dividing both side by 2, so here we will get a plus c upon 2 will be equals to pi by 2 minus b by 2. Now keep this term as it is into cos a minus c upon 2, on the right hand side sine b, keep it as it is. Now according to allied angle formulas, what is the value of cos pi by 2 minus theta? Cos pi by 2 minus theta will be equals to what? Sine theta. Theta is what here? B by 2 into cos a minus c upon 2, keep it as it is. Since the first term is in the form of half angle, that's why on this side we are applying half angle formula. According to half angle formula, the value of sine b will be equals to what? 2 sine b by 2 into cos b by 2. Just simply we are applying half angle formula. Check which terms from both side will get cancelled. 2 and 2 will get cancelled. Sine b by 2 and sine b by 2 will get cancelled. Now write down the remaining term. So here the remaining term on left hand side is equal to cos a minus c upon 2, and on the right hand side is cos b by 2. Now comparing both sides, now if we can observe that this side also contain the term of cos and this side also contain the term of cos, and both the sides are equal. That's why we can say that value of theta on both sides are also equal. So this implies that a minus c upon 2 will be equals to what? B by 2. Just simply comparing both sides, we can say that whatever maybe the angle is there, same angle will be on the right hand side. So this implies that if we are cancelling 2 on both sides, here we will get a minus c is equal to b. This implies that a, keep it as it is, minus c on this side will become plus c, so b plus c. Let us denote it by equation number, say equation number first. So since here ABC is one triangle, since it is a triangle, that's why we can say that sum of three angle will be equals to how much? 180 degrees. So I am not disturbing to A, I am replacing B plus C. What is the value of B plus C is equal to A? On the right hand side 180 degrees, keep it as it is. This value we are substituting from equation number first. Just simply we are replacing B plus C by what? A, because B plus C is equal to A. Now A plus A will be equals to twice A is equal to 180 degrees, which implies that A is equal to, if we are dividing both sides by 2, A will be equals to 90 degree. So what we have shown here in this triangle, in triangle ABC, A is equal to, capital A represents what? Angle A of this triangle ABC, and since we have shown that one angle of this triangle is 90 degree, hence we can say that triangle ABC is right angle triangle. Hence a triangle ABC is right angle triangle, and this is the result which we have to prove here. So in this way we have shown that this triangle is right angle triangle. Now observe the example number 9th. In this example, given condition is sin A upon sin C is equal to sin A minus B upon sin B minus C, and using this we have to show that A square, B square, C square are in arithmetic progression. And when we can say that three terms ABC are in arithmetic progression, ABC are in arithmetic progression implies that twice B is equal to what? A plus C. If this condition is satisfying, at that time we can say that terms are in arithmetic progression, or if terms are in arithmetic progression, at that time twice B is equal to A plus C. Means to get our required result, we have to show that 2b square is equal to what? A square plus C square. According to this result, 2b square is equal to A square plus C square. If we are able to get such type of expression, at that time we can say that it implies that three terms are in what? Arithmetic progression. So now if you will observe, given expression is in terms of capital A, capital B, capital C, means in terms of angle, and required result is in terms of small a, small b, small c, means are in terms of what? Side. Means we have to convert angles, or we can say that trigonometric functions in terms of what? Small a, small b, small c. For that purpose, we have to make the use of what? Sine rule and cosine rule. So since we have to use the sine rule, so first write down here sine rule. So by sine rule, what is sine rule? Sine A. Why we are writing sine A, sine B, sine C in the numerator? Because we have to convert this trigonometric equation in terms of what? A, B, C. And in case if we are to convert ABC in terms of trigonometric equation, at that time write down ABC in the numerator. Now this result we are getting applying sine rule. Let us denote this ratio, say by K. From this we can say that sine A will be equals to A into K will be equals to KA. Then sine B is equals to B into K will be equals to KB. And sine C will be equals to C into K will be equals to KC. So all these values we have got applying what? Sine rule. Now we are considering the given expression. What is the given expression? Sine A upon sine C is equal to sine A minus B divided by sine B minus C. So therefore, now sine B minus C will get multiplied on this side. Means on this side we will get sine A into sine B minus C is equal to, and sine C will get multiplied on this side. So sine C into sine A minus B. Okay. Now just using transformation we are trying to simplify this expression. Now this sine B minus C, according to compound angle formula, or we can say that addition subtraction formula, can be written as sine B into cos C minus cos B into sine C. And on this side keep this sine C as it is, and sine A minus B can be replaced by sine A into cos B minus cos A into sine B. Now we are applying sine rule and cosine rule to convert it in terms of what? A, B, C. Now next step is very important, try to understand it. Here sine A can be replaced by Ka. Sine A we have replaced by Ka. On this, in this case again sine B can be replaced by what? Kb into cos C. What is the value of cos C? According to cosine rule, value of cos C will be equals to A square plus B square minus C square upon 2AB. Minus, now we are substituting the value of cos B, that is A square plus C square minus B square upon 2AC. Lastly, we are substituting the value of sine C. Sine C will be equals to what? Kc. Here sine C is equal to Kc. These values we are substituting, just simply applying sine rule and cosine rule. Similar method we are applying on this right hand side also. Observe the right hand side very carefully. Sine C can be replaced by here Kc into, now again sine A can be replaced by Ka into cos B. Cos B can be replaced by A square plus C square minus B square upon 2AC minus cos A can be replaced by B square plus C square minus A square upon 2BC, and sine B can be replaced by Kb. Just we have substituted the values according to sine rule and cosine rule. Now let us check which terms will get cancelled. Here B and B will get cancelled. Here this C and this C will get cancelled. Here A and A will get cancelled, and again here B and B will get cancelled. Now observe the first term here. Observe here from this we are able to take K common, and here also we are able to take K common. If we are taking K common from both the term, so here we will get K square A. If we are taking K common, so K into this K will become what? K square. So outside the bracket what we will get here? K square A. Now again observe both the term. After taking K common from both the term, so observe the remaining term. For remaining two term, whether denominators are same. Yes, denominators are same. That's why we are taking subtraction of numerator. What is the denominator of both the term? Will be equals to 2a. So take the subtraction. What is the first term here? A square plus B square minus C square, and now I am multiplying by minus to all the terms here. So what will get here? Minus A square minus C square plus b square. Okay, now observe this term k and k. If we are taking k common here from both the terms, so k outside here will get multiplied with this k, so on this here we will get k square c, which is equal to k square c. And observe the remaining term. In remaining term, here also denominator is 2c, here also denominator is 2c. Since denominators are same, so take the subtraction of numerator. So what we'll get here, a square plus c square minus b square, and multiply by minus to all the terms. So here we'll get minus b square minus c square, and minus into minus will become plus a square. So therefore, now observe the whole expression very carefully. Check that k square on both sides will get cancelled. Yes, k square will get cancelled. This a and this a will get cancelled. This c and this c will get cancelled. Observe here remaining terms now. Collect the terms. First check which terms will get cancelled. A square minus a square will get cancelled. B square plus b square will be equals to 2b square. Minus c square and minus c square will become minus 2c square upon 2. On this right hand side, check that plus c square and minus c square will get cancelled. A square plus a square will be equals to 2a square, and minus b square and minus b square will become minus 2b square upon 2. Now 2 from numerator and denominator will get cancelled. After cancelling 2 from numerator and denominator, here remaining term is b square minus c square, and here remaining term is a square minus b square. Simply we are able to take 2 common from both the term, and this 2 will get cancelled with 2 from denominator. So now collect the terms of b square. Minus b square on this side will become plus b square. So b square plus b square will become 2b square, and minus c square on this side will become plus c square. So a square plus c square. If you will observe, this expression is in the form of what? 2b is equal to a plus c. If 2b is equal to a plus c, this condition is satisfying. At that time we can say that ABC are in arithmetic progression. So here which condition is satisfying? 2b square is equal to a square plus c square, which implies that which three term, a square, b square, c square, are in arithmetic progression. So hence we can say that a square, b square, c square are in arithmetic progression, and this is the result which we have to show here. So we have to show that a square, b square, c square are in arithmetic progression. Now see the example number 10th. In this case we have to solve the triangle. Already we have discussed about the definition of solution of a triangle. Means if some parts of a triangle are given to us, using the given part, the method of finding unknown part is called as what? Solution of triangle. So here also some parts are given to us. A means one side, B is another side, means two side, and one angle is given to us. So using this condition we are trying to find out remaining three parts. We know that in a triangle total 6 parts are there, 3 sides and 3 angle. So here 3 parts are given to us, and we are trying to find out 3 unknown parts. Since B is given to us, means 2 side A and B is given and angle C is given. So we are able to find out third side of the triangle, which we are denoting by what? C. 2 side A and B is given to us. So third side can be find out applying cosine rule. So by cosine rule, C square will be equals to what? A square plus B square minus 2AB cos C. Applying this formula we are able to find out value of what? C here. So let us substitute the values. A is a square, means square of root 3 plus 1. Root 3 plus 1 whole bracket square. B square means what? Square of root 3 minus 1. Minus 2, keep it as it is. Again replace A by its value, that is root 3 plus 1, into B by its value root 3 minus 1 into cos C. C is how much? 60 degrees. Just simply we have substituted the values. Now let us simplify it. Its expansion using identity A plus B whole bracket square is equal to A square. A square means what? Square of root 3 plus 2AB. AB means root 3 into 1 plus B square. Square of 1 will be equals to 1 plus here again apply the identity. Which identity? A minus B whole bracket square is equal to A square, means square of root 3 minus 2AB. A is root 3 and B is 1 plus B square. B square means 1 square is 1. So here minus 2, keep it as it is. terms are in the form of a plus b into a minus b. And what is the product of a plus b into a minus b? That is a square minus b square, means square of root 3 is 3 minus b square means square of 1 is 1, and value of cos 60 will be equals to 1 by 2. Just we have substituted the values. Let us simplify it. What is square of root 3? 3 plus 2 into root 3 into 1 is 2 root 3 plus 1, keep it as it is. Here see what we'll get, square of root 3 is equal to 3 minus 2 root 3, keep it as it is, plus 1 also as it is. Here 2 and 2 will get cancelled, minus, keep it as it is. Again here 2 minus 1, sorry, 3 minus 1 will be equals to 2. So which is equal to, now first collect the constant term. First check which terms will get cancelled. Here plus 2 root 3 and minus 2 root 3 will get cancelled. 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 1 7, 7 plus 1 8, 8 minus 2 will be equals to 6. So value of c square is equal to 6, implies that value of c will be equals to how much? Root 6. In this way we have got the third side of the triangle. Two sides are already given to us. Now we have got third side, and which is the fourth part? Angle C. Now four parts are known to us. Now remaining part is just to find out angle A and angle B of this triangle ABC. Okay, so whenever the four parts are known to us, to find out remaining two part, generally we are using what? Sine rule. Since we have to find out the angles, that's why here sine rule can be written as, so by sine rule. So since we are finding what? Angles, so first in the numerator write down trigonometric ratios or trigonometric function. So sine B, sine A, sine B, sine C, and in the denominator write down A, B, C. So this is nothing but sine rule. Already we are very well known with it. So in the numerator sine A, keep it as it is. I am replacing small a by its value, that is root 3 plus 1 is equals to sine B, keep it as it is. This small b can be replaced by its value root 3 minus 1 is equal to sine C. C is equal to what? 60 degree. So sine 60 degree upon C. Just now we have got the value of C is equal to what? Root 6. So here this sine 60 can be replaced by what? Root 3 by 2, and in the denominator root 6, keep it as it is. So which is equal to root 3 ones are root 3 and root 3 twos are root 6. So means here what will get? In the numerator we will get 1, and in the denominator here 3 twos means in the denominator we will get root 2. Just we are simplifying it. Root 3 upon 6 can be written as under root 3 by 6, which is equal to 1 by 2. So square root of 1 is 1 and square root of root 2 is root 2. Means division of these two terms will be 1 by root 2. Try to understand it. On this side keep sine A as it is. Sine A upon root 3 plus 1 is equal to sine B upon root 3 minus 1, keep it as it is. Now our interest is to find out value of sine A and sine B. So this term will get multiplied on this side. So sine A is equal to, if we are multiplying on this side we will get root 3 plus 1 upon 2 root 2, and sine B is equal to, this term will get multiplied on this side. So root 3 minus 1 upon 2 root 2. Okay, so in this way we have got the value of sine A and sine B. Now we are finding the value of sine A using this method. So try to understand it. So sine 105 degrees, can I write it as sine 60 degrees plus 45 degrees? Yes, 105 can be written as what? 60 plus 45. So which is equal to, let us denote this result say by equation number first, and this result say by equation number second. Otherwise not necessary to represent this expression by any equation. Here we have to use this expression, that's why I am denoting it by 1. Now this expression is in the form of sine A plus B. What is the formula of sine A plus B? Sine A into cos B plus cos A means 60 into sine B. B means how much? 45 degrees. Okay, so which is equal to sine 60 is equal to root 3 by 2 cos 45 is equal to 1 by root 2 plus again cos 60 is equal to 1 by 2 and sin 45 is equal to 1 by root 2. If you will observe denominator of both the terms, check that denominators are same. 2 root 2, 2 root 2, 2 root 2. That's why we are taking addition of numerator. What is the numerator here? Root 3 into 1 is root 3 and here numerator is 1 into 1 will be equals to 1. This is the value of what? Sine 105 degrees. Let us denote it say by equation number 2. Now if equation number first and second, what we can observe here, their left hand sides are same. That's why we can say that these right hand sides are same. Right hand sides are same means what we will get? Sine A is equals to sine 105 degrees, which implies that A is equal to 105. So in this way we have got angle A of this triangle ABC. Now two angles are known to us. B is already given, A is equal to 105. So third angle can be find out applying angle sum property. So in triangle ABC we know that A plus B plus C is equal to how much? 180 degrees. I am replacing A by 105, B is 60 degrees plus angle C, keep it as it is, 180 degree also as it is. So this implies that angle C is equal to 180 degrees. What is the addition here? 165. So plus 165 on this side will become minus 165, which implies that angle C is equal to 15 degrees. So in this way we have got the angle also. Hence we can say that, hence what is the given condition? Two sides are given to us, small a, small b. What is the value of small c? Small c is equal to root 6. What is the value of angle A? Just now we have got the value of angle A is equal to 105 and just now we have got the value of angle C is equal to 115 degrees. So in this way we have got the remaining three parts. So remaining example we will discuss in the next video.